Hello students, myself Selvakumar, Assistant Professor in ACE, Government College of Engineering, Sengipatti, Tanjavur. Our subject is Telecommunication Network Management. So among this subject, from this unit 2, last class we discussed about the CMASE model and the introduction to the CMASE. Now we are going to discuss about the CMASE services, Common Management Information Service Element. There are several services are there. Event report service, get service, set service, cancel service, and delete service of your remote systems. This is the lectures we are going to discuss here. The topics covered in this subject is introduction to the CMSC management, event report services, get services, set services, action services, create services, delete services, cancel, get services, get services. So the report service has to get the reports of the remote systems of the managed objects, and the get service also has to get the service of the respective managed objects of the remote system. For settings a new service into the managed object, the remote systems or any other systems. Action service do some action, and create service has to uh, create a services of the managed objects and the systems, and delete service has to delete the services in the systems. So this cancel service, whenever cancel the get service, whatever the get service we obtained, that you have to cancel that. So these are the topics we are going to discuss here. Thus here the service corresponds to various remote operation in management, various remote operation in the management. So services means that getting the information and providing the information and getting the error values and other things are all called as the services here. This common management information service element is a service element that provides the basic management services. That provides the basic management, so get, set, and delete and cancel. These are the basic management service. The CMAC is a user of both the remote operation service element and the control association control service element. That CMSE provides both confirmed and unconfirmed for reporting events and retrieving and manipulating the management data. This CMAC provides both the confirmed and the unconfirmed service for reporting the events and retrieving and manipulating the management of the data. So um, you have to get in clear ideas. I have to hear, so that in an operation system or a manager system, and another side is a remote system, that is we call as the agent system. That manager system has to get information or put information into the managed objects of the agent system or the remote systems. That is that in between the services to be happened between the manager system and the remote system, we that is done by the common management information service element. This CMI is having the some of the service in the confirmed and the unconfirmed manner. The confirmed and the unconfirmed manner. Confirmed means, say, reply request response should be written back to the managerials, and unconfirmed means no response have to be given to the owner or the managerial systems. So that has to you have to specify here. So reporting events and retrieving and manipulating the management data. These services are used by the manager, agent application, entities, to exchange the management information. So here the table lists the service defined by CMSE. The table here, this is the table lists the service defined by the CMSE. That is the M event report, get, set, action, create, delete, and cancel, get. Okay. We see the each topic one by one. The service column contains the name of the service primitives. That is a service column and is the name of the service, that is event, get, set, and other things. This the service corresponds to various remote operation in management are specified using M. This M stands for management. M for stand management as a first character. So this M event means it's specified in operation done in the remote. The service has to be done in the remote systems. That is the M stands for here. So the service parameters in OSI standard falls into classes as I already said that confirmed and the unconfirmed. Confirmed and the unconfirmed. Confirmed means response is required. The unconfirmed means response is not required. From the manager perspective, reading the properties of manager is a confirmed service. The response expected with the values for the requested properties. So what are the services has to be done by the CMAC? That is the M event report service. The type of the service which may be a confirmed or unconfirmed manner, confirmed or unconfirmed manner. That so description of these services report an occurrence of event to another open system. Report an occurrence of an event to another open system. MGET service is also a type of confirmed or unconfirmed service. It's retrieved attributes and their values from the managed objects. This S specifies here. This S specifies here is the to retrieve the information from the multiple objects. To retrieve the information from the multiple object. This is specified in the bracket. Multiple objects. And another thing is the M set service. So set service, it is also a type of confirmed or unconfirmed service. It modify the attributes values of the managed objects. So this in here also the bracket specifies as that is for the specifying the multiple objects of the remote systems. So M action. So M set means you have to set. For example, already a value is set at one is there. If you want to set the value as 2 or something values or alarm status, you have to set the alarm status is no, yes. Likewise, you have to set the services. And M action, confirmed or unconfirmed service. Request an open system to perform an action on the managed objects. So this M action also a confirmed or unconfirmed type. So it is request an open system to perform action on the managed objects. So it has to perform some new actions according to the values of the set informations that have to be done by these services. Create services. So it is a confirmed service. You want to create any one new thing on the manager objects of the any system or the end system or the remote system. So the M create option is used to create a new services. So only one instance can be created per request. For per request can created only one event for this type of services. So M delete services. Delete services has to delete the managed objects. So M cancel get services. This M cancel requires to cancel a previously invoked M get service. Already a M get service is invoked by the manager on the agent systems. So I have to cancel that information means lost information, previously invoked information by using this cancel get services done by the CMAC. M event report services. M event report services is invoked by a CMAC user to report an event about a managed object to a remote CMAC user. This service may be requested in a confirmed or a non-confirmed mode, as already discussed. In the confirmed mode, a reply is expected. In the non-confirmed mode, so reply is not expected. Here, the parameters adapted for this service are invoke identifier, mode, manager object class, instance, event type, time, and event information, current time, event reply, and errors. Right. So this is the record values. This is the record values. This is a response from the remote systems. So invoke identifier record values, it gives us values 4, 5, anything else. And mode is it's a confirmed mode or unconfirmed mode. The manager object class M, the manager object class defines the type of the resources. The manager object class defines the type of the resources. The instance identify the specific entity emitting for the notification. The manager object instance specific identification notification of the information. And uh, for example, managed instance, for example, an equipment model defined with the object, defined object is circuit pack to respond to various cards. So the different types of cards may be a controller card, line card, video card, and like this, where video card like this to be considered of the circuit pack. The management object class is circuit pack. So then the card and the circuit packs are the controller card, line card, video card, sound card, audio card, switcher, slot interchange card, likewise. So on the event type is the identify the type of the event. This identify the type of the event. Event time means is indicates the time of the occurrence of the event. When time that event to be occurred, that is the event time. And event information indicates as u, event information indicates as u. So this m indicates for mandatory and u indicates for the unconditional. So uncondition of the user request, uncondition means of the user option, u means user option. So this c represents the, here c represents the conditional, unconditional. In the event type, event information identify falls under different class of the event time. So these are all the parameters of the used in the CMAC event report service definitions. And errors, if any errors, the response, the current time, event reply, and errors are applicable in the response. Are applicable in the response. U is the user option, C is the conditional, and here C is the conditional. This will be the received by the in the confirmed mode. This will be response will be received by the manager systems in the confirmed mode. This m equal to, so here equal to specifies that values has to be mentioned, values has to be mentioned. The same the m event report service exam parameter example shown here. See here, this is invoke identifier and the value mandatory value, that is m equal to 7. So mode is also a mandatory, which is mode is a unconfirmed mode. Whether it is a confirmed mode, you have to, the response have to be, the response all to be come here, the response all to be come here, this also. Manager object class circuit packed. So the manager object, the which object, the object name is circuit packed. So object instance equipment id 4. So this will be get an idea. I show the another one diagram, see here. So this is the model of the host digital terminal. Here see here, E1 card, protecting E1 card, controller card, time slot interchange card, protecting time slot interchange card, power supply card, protecting power supply card, transport card, likewise. Now coming to the table, see now. So that is the management object class equipment ID is 4. Equipment ID is 4. Here in the slot equipment ID is 4. Time slot interchange card 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise, that slot will be mentioned here. And equipment ID name is TSICA, time slot interchange card attributes, time slot interchange card attributes, equipment ID is TICA. The event type here you have to mention is the equipment alarm. So event time, at what time it has to be occurred, that will be mentioned here 1832. So that is evening 6:32, and the date mentioned. So event information is identified, that is a user option that can be sent or not sent. So problem cause in this unit is, in this circuit packed equipment ID 4 is replaceable unit problem. What is the types of problem? So that is a perceived severity. It is a critical or medium or light problem or critical medium, that should be mentioned, and response to be given to the manager. So this is the parameters used in the for getting the M event report serviced from a remote CMA service users. These parameters are received by the service users. So next CMAC M event report service definition. Sorry, this network element ID name is ACME. This network element ID name is ACME. So these are divided into different slots of cards. So for example, in a telecommunication network telecommunication network, if any someone's மின்னல் சொல்லுவாங்க. So மின்னல் will be happened. It will be happened. Any one of the card is or the time slot interchange card, any of the controller card is blasted in the telecommunication network operation center. So they are having the redundancy of the card. So immediately for getting the service to the users, they use the redundancy card. They having the one more card in the slot. That card can be inserted and this card will be get out of the slot. The get out of the slot, that is the problem card is get out of the slot, and the respective card for the reduce the for ratify the problem, that another card is the redundancy will be available in the slot. That slot will be inserted and the user are getting the services, everything. So an example here, the diagram shows these different cards are there. Event card, protecting event card, control card. These are all are slotted in the slotted in the network telecommunication network management. Similar like this. Suppose if in our system, in our desktop system, there will be a motherboard. In the motherboard, there are some of the slots are there. Two slots are given for the RAM. So yeah, we can use a 512 GB memory in a single slot or a 256 GB memory in a double slot. If one of the slot is failure, one of the slot is failure, we remove that slot and use the remaining one of the slot. We can manage the work. We can manage the work. That is the services. An example of this service that is shown here. Assume that any failure of the time slot interchange card, there is no backup available. For that redundance, this will result in equipment alarm with a probable cause. The value given is the replacement unit problem. The value given is the replacement unit problem. If it is a time slot interchange card having a redundancy of one more card is here, then this value is not applicable at the response. This value is applicable at the response. Now the is intimate service is intimated to the manager to replace unit problem. Next is the CMAC M get service definition. The M get service is invoked by a CMAC user for getting the service request, the retrieval of management information from a remote CMAC service user. This MGET service is invoked by a CMA service user to request the retrieval of the management information from a remote server. But this GET service is enabled to get the information from the remote CMAC service user. This service only may be requested in a confirmed mode. This service only request in a confirmed mode. A reply is expected. Reply is expected for these services. So for that MGET services, the parameters for the MGET services are invoke identifier, the same response, request and response, linked identifier, mode, base object class, base object instance, scope, filter, access control, synchronization manager. Now let us discuss one by one. So invoke identifier, I already discussed about the invoke identifier. The linked identifier will be given by the remote service to the servicer. What are the links on the condition will be given to that. Next, the mode. Mode is the mandatory one. Mode is the whether it's a confirmed mode or the unconfirmed mode. So here this is used only in the confirmed mode. So that is a confirmed mode. Base object class is a mandatory, whether which object going to be which object going to be ratified. That is the circuit packed. The name is circuit packed, and the base object instance is equipment ID, and equipment ID name is TSICA, time slot interface interchange card attributes. Here, the new thing you have to discuss here, the scope and filter. This scope and filter are the user option. For the scope and filter are used to manage the multiple objects. Manage the multiple objects of the services retrieved by one by the managers. So the for that scope and filter parameter allow the management to specifically for selecting the multiple objects. So access control parameter, it is initiated by the access control parameter is initiated by the manager. The manager system uses this information to determine if the requester has the permission to invoke this operation. To invoke this operation, a specific error has been defined is indicated in the denial of access control. A specific access error has to be indicated in the access control. This is the access control. Synchronization is used to synchronize of the scope filter and the access parameters assure the selection of the multiple objects. This management attribute so this management object class also already discussed, and the instance also discussed. This new thing is the attribute list. This attribute identifier list includes the name of the attributes, includes the name of the attributes whose values are to be retrieved, which values are going to be retrieved. That is the attribute identifier list. These are examples of M get service. What are the attribute values you are going to receive? Request, that is the affected object class, alarm state, replaceable, administrators, and the operation status. And the manager object class and instance are applicable only in the response column. The manager objects and applicables are in the response columns. See here, this is the examples of mget service responses. Mget service responses. That is a invoke identifier. The value is 4. The affected object class DS1 line TTP ID 1 and line TTP ID 2. Identifier list alarm status. Here we are asking the alarm status, replaceable, administrator, and operations. Replaceable, yes. Administrators, alarm status critical. Replaceable, yes. Administrators unlocked. Operation state disabled. Operation state is disabled. That object operation state is disabled. So because it has to be replaceable. So next is the CMIC M set service definitions. M service set definitions. This M set service is invoked by a CMIC service user to request the modification of management information by a remote CMIC user. So M set service is request to modify the management information of a remote users. The service may be requested in a confirmed mode. The service may be requested in a confirmed mode or a non-confirmed mode. This table describes the examples of the M-set services. M-set is the invoke identifier. The value is 5. The mode of the service is unconfirmed. The base object class is circuit packed. Base object instance is equipment ID and the same ID name TSICA. The modification list. The modification list is the changes from the previous services, get services in the M-set services. So attributes are administrative state. So the value to be locked. Modify operator replace. So these are all the service. The modification list. What are the modification going to be done? What are the modification is going to be done in the attribute ID? Is be included in this set service. This set service is used to setting the services in the remote systems. Next, M action services. M action services is invoked by a CMIC user. Invoking CMIC service user to request a remote service user to perform an action. So after setting the information, set the information, you have to perform some action on that the set informations. So for that these services may be requested in a confirmed mode or the non-confirmed. In the confirmed mode, a reply is expected. In the confirmed mode, the reply is expected. So parameter name parameters used in these M action services are invoke identifier. We are giving the value 9. Mode unconfirmed, object class circuit pack, base object is equipment ID 4, equipment ID TSIC. Modification list, action type reset. So the action type only changes here. The action type only changes here. The action type you have to reset the informations. So any action has to made on the remote service, remote systems. By using this CMSE action service, you have to made the changes, right? Next is the M create services. So you have to create a new thing. You have to create a new thing on a remote systems to create another instance of managed object. So suppose varieties of managed objects we discussed in the previous slide. Managed object means a tree-like structure. We showed that in the first topics of unit 2. Now in that managed object, we have to add one more managed object. To that the adapted to the tree of the managed elements, network elements. So these mcreate services is used to create the object class in the remote systems. The services may be only requested in a confirmed mode. So only one instance of manage object. Only one request can be create one instance of the class manage object class can be created. The parameter name is request or response. The parameters of the mcreate services are the invoke identifier, manage object class, instance, superior object instance, access control, reference object instance, attribute list, current time, and error. If error means this comes under the errors, right? So this is the examples of the mcreate service responsibles. What are the attributes we have to be created, going to be created is given in the examples of this table. Invoke identifier Q8. We have to use the circuit pack and the manage object instance. We are using that equipment ID, circuit pack ID, TSICA. So the equipment IDs comes here two sides for the attribute list and also the instance. Equipment ID again TSICA. So administrate to create a service for creating the service, the admin states to be unlocked. Operation state enabled. You have to enable the service of the new objects. Alarm status, yes. Replaceable, yes. Affected object list, DS1 line 1 and line circuit address equal to 1. These are the service created by the mcreate service definitions. And another thing is the delete services. So suppose if want to delete one of the service of the manager objects in a remote systems, you have to delete that service. We can delete the services. So that response of the delete services are examples of the delete services are here shown here. So that is invoke identifier 10. You have to delete the object instance equipment ID 4 and circuit pack TCSA. So these are the response column will be here. So if any error occurs, in condition, the error will be sent to the delete services. So invoke identifier, linked identifier, the same parameter, whatever that we in this get service and set service, that will be applicable here also. And also that deleting the information is invoke identifier 10, manager object class circuit pack, manager object instance, equipment ID, circuit pack ID, TCICA. So another last one service of the CMASE is cancel service. M cancel service is included with the CMASE user to request a remote CMASE user to cancel get service of an instance of the manager. The service may only request in a confirmed mode. Only request in a reply is expected. Only the cancel service. If any get service, for example, in an ATM, we are typing one of the things. typing, for example, instead of typing 10,000 rupees, you are typing 1,000 rupees. You have to cancel the thing and again to rewrite that to 10,000 or 20,000. You have to change that information. You have to cancel that service. For that, you have to cancel that service. So this type of service, for example, I am saying the ATM machine. So similar to that in the remote system of the telecommunication network management. So that invoke identifier value should be in the response, and if it is error will be happened, that error information will be sent to the M cancel service also. Should be cancelled, not cancelled, it is unable to cancel, process already done. So likewise these things are to have to be done by the CMSE using the M cancel. M denotes for here, M denotes for the management of the remote services, management of the remote services of the common management information service element. I hope that all of you know about the CMAC service. Uh, CMAC service. CMS service are the creation of the service, deleting the service, cancelling the service, setting the service, getting the service, and reporting service of the remote users. I hope that I think all of them get clear idea about this topic. I hope the students. Thank you, and again thank you all.